Welcome to Leverage, the $1 Million Blueprint, where we're going to teach you not only how to leverage other people's money, but how to obtain properties free and clear through tax deed education. Tax deed is where you can get the property free and clear. And I'm going to show you where you can go and get these properties as low as $250.
Yes, how we doing? Better, worse?
A little better.
A little better? Needs to be louder?
Yeah. We're kind of close.
On the same side, our hearing's pretty good, and I'm sure they're people struggle.
You don't want more paper.
I mean, we don't even have time.
Be a little bit louder, or are we good? A little bit louder. All right, we can get back to the threshold of the volume. How's that? That's better. Fantastic. Thank you.
48.
$500. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 14, what's your bid, sir? $3,000? $3,000 is the bid for bidder number 14. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 66. 3,200? $3,200 is the bid for bidder number 66. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 14, what's your bid, sir? 3,500? 3,500 is the bid for bidder number 14. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 66. 3,600? 3,600 is the bid for bidder number 66. Are there any other bids? Are there any other bids? Bidder number 4. 3,700? $3,700 is the bid for bidder number 4. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 58. $4,000. $4,000 is the bid for bidder number 58. Are there any other bids? Are there any other bids? Bidder number 4. I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead. Say it one more time. 4,100. 4,100 is the bid from bidder number 4. 4,100 is the bid from bidder number 4. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 58.
4,500.
4,500. Bidder number 58 bids $4,500. Are there any other bids? Bidder number 4. 4,600. 4,600 is the bid from bidder number 4.
So this is the county. I did a different county. I actually really liked it. I really like this area. This gives you a view. I'm actually leaving the auction now. So I just want to give you a recap of the auction that I just attended today, and that was in Denison County. And when I tell you guys, it's completely different than any county that I've invested so far in Texas. It's just completely amazing. One of the number one things I want you to get from, if you've made it this far in the video and you have credit cards but you don't have cash, well, in Denison County you can actually purchase the tax deeds on a credit card. And I was like, what? Like, say that over again? I was just completely amazed by that. Number two is they don't really have like a process like most counties do, where you don't have to pre-register. You don't have to have a pre-registered bid. You just show up that day, you put your name, and they give you a number. And they literally took a piece of paper like this and wrote on it your bid number. I was like, oh my gosh. Like, that's freaking crazy. So what I want you to get from this county is that literally, if you're in Texas, I was completely shocked. I really was more of an observer today because I really hadn't gotten a chance to actually go through the properties. I will not bid in an auction unless I've actually seen the property, because I always tell my students the money's in the buy. If you don't buy right, you can completely lose. So I don't invest in anything unless I've driven by and I've actually physically seen whatever it is, because a lot of times Google doesn't update their maps, and you might, look online and it looks like there's a house, but when you get there, there's no house. So I just went to observe today, and I was really excited from what I seen. So if you are an investor and you're a tax deed investor and you don't have a lot of money but you got credit, you can invest in Denison County. I had never been there before, and so it was a pretty nice. And now I think about it, is it Denison or Grayson County? It might be Grayson County. Don't quote me on that. One of those. I think it's Grayson though. I think it's Grayson County, but it's in Texas. And so I have ventured out now that the world is back open, and I am looking into other counties to invest in as a tax deed investor. I hope this video helped. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.